my 19-inch LCD TV. Actually, the brand name is UMC. It's the one I basically use on my Amiga, but the ear socket isn't working properly. I think it's broken inside, and that's the one that the Amiga audio goes into. So I'm going to take it apart and see if I can replace it. So to get this particular TV apart, there's, I believe, four screws. They're actually marked with little arrows. So you just need to undo those with the right screwdriver. Just use that because it's got magnetic to get it out. So take the 4 screws out. There's one that might come out. Let's do this first. Right, that's all the 4 screws now. Now what we have to do is, along the edges there's some clips, so I'll just get my tool for doing that. Okay, this looks very much like a guitar pick, but the sort of thing you want to do it with. And I'm trying to remember, I think I need it this way to do it. And you see, you just put it in. Let me zoom out a bit. Put it in the corner and just move the pick along, and you will eventually find some clips along the edges. Trust me, they're there somewhere. Here's one. I'll try from the other side. Right, there we go. So you just need to go along and find all the clips, just twist it slightly. When you get to one, it will pop up. Got one here somewhere. You just have to keep turning the TV around and go around all the corners. Different pick. That one's got broken. See, it's coming off now. So that's all off down there, so it should just be this, hopefully. Got all the clips along the sides, just the ones along the bottom here now that we need to get. It's a bit more difficult because the stand is in the way. I just realised I've missed 2 screws. There's 4 along the bottom. That's why it's not coming out. So there's another one that side and another one this side of the stand. Right, now it should come off. Right, so I'll turn the TV over again. Do the screen up. Trouble is the clips tend to go back in again as soon as you put it down. Right, that's it. So once you've got it lifted up, you can see inside here, you've got a few wires go to the screen. So we can just unplug those. There's that one. Over there. And then this one here, which is the screen itself. So I'll take the screen away. Now the bit we're interested in is over here. So what I need to do now is get all this circuit board out, and I will probably have to undo a few of these screws as well. First I'll take the screws off the circuit board. This bottom one here has got an earth strap on it. Now then, that will come out without removing any of those screws. Right, so the one we're interested in is this one here, because this is the PC sound input. I'll just get my desoldering gun and we'll give it a go. Can you see what I'm doing? Just about. Right, I've got that out, so now I just need to find a replacement. Got the board a little bit of a clean up with some IPA. This side, look. That's that done. Okay, what I've done here, I took out the socket and I've wired 3 wires for left, right and earth for the audio. So I've got a wire here that I've soldered through, and I'm going to wire a socket on the end of this and then screw it into the case. So this is the new socket here, It's got a nut on the outside. There's a length of wire connects to the main circuit board so that when I take it all apart it won't sort of rip out, and it's all working fine now. Thank you for watching. Bye.